Hey, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you me doing my knotless braids. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I never did these type of braids. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to be showing y'all me doing it. I'm actually going to start tomorrow, but today I'm just going to start by washing my hair because, I don't want to do too much in one day. I'm using my Dark and Lovely Au Naturel shampoo, and I'm going to use Cantu hydrating conditioner, and I'm going to use a Cantu hair mask, and I'm going to leave it in overnight, so my hair is nice and moisturized. I'll be back. My hair is freshly washed, all soft and moisturized. Now I'm finna start twisting with my Cantu deep conditioning mask. Good morning, it's the next morning. I just rinsed out my hair mask. My hair is super soft and moisturized. So I'm gonna blow dry it, and I'm gonna start braiding it a little later. I just brushed through my hair and I'm finna blow dry it. I don't have like the comb attachment, so I'm gonna just use this. These next clips is me blow drying my hair, y'all. I was having such a hard time with it. Like I said in the video, I usually use a blow dryer with a comb attachment, but this one, it came with like a diffuser and it came with this other little piece, but yeah, so I was struggling to get my hair straight enough, so watch me struggle. I've been struggling with this hair for so long. It is not straight enough. I usually use a blow dryer with a comb attachment, but this new blow dryer don't have one. So I've been doing a little brush method. We just finna get started. I'm finna go practice on my doll, and then I'm gonna just start my hair. So I'm finna practice on this doll. I'm mad. This color, it looked like it was my color. They helped me when I was at the beauty supply store, but this is not it. It looked so close, but now that I'm looking at it, it's not it. So I don't even remember what they did. I watched a video. I couldn't find my other doll. The hair wasn't like this. So the hair does not match. Y'all can see my brown. Like my hair is like a chocolatey brown, and it has like blonde highlights in it. I guess they was matching my hair. This probably matches my highlights, but most of my hair is brown. So it's crazy because when I was in the store, like he looked at it and I looked at it and it looked like it matched, but now taking it out and having my hair blow dry, this don't match. I mean, I don't think it's noticeable. Like, it's not noticeable that it don't match, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. My hair is actually straightened.
Artificial food coloring.
I'm finna start.
Corn syrup.
So I used Shine and Jam from the edges. It's the hair I use. Just get any hair that's pre-plucked and pre-stretched. It's the 18-inch, but I made it longer. You're gonna need some snacks. You're gonna need a comb. You should probably use a rat tail comb. Rat tail tooth. Is that what it's called?
A rat tail.
Rat tail? Yeah, that. And something to separate your hair. You should use them little silver clips, but I just use these. That's it. So I made some progress. This took forever. It's 2 in the morning. I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow morning. I'm gonna show y'all up close again, me doing it. So we getting close to the front, y'all. We almost done. But we like sectioned off and like twisted it to prep. So I'm adding the Shine and Jam. I'm trying to leave like some edges out. I got a new method now that I did it a couple of times. So I just start with the 3 like a regular braid. I go 1, 2. And then I add the hair. And then I put my hair in the middle. I add another piece. I add about 4 pieces. I got the 18-inch, so I need this to be long. And I'll wait till I get like to the end where I don't see my hair anymore. And then I'll add like a small piece. So the length is good. So about right here, I'll add another little piece. And then go all the way down. That's that. You can turn. I'm on the last section. I only got 7 more to go and I'm gonna be done finally. I just finished the braids. I didn't whatchamacallit. I didn't cut them. I need to clip them, and I need to put mousse in it to do my edges. I need to dip them in the hot water, but this is it so far. I'll show y'all again at the end when it's like everything done. Alright, so my hair, all in all, it took like 6 hours to do. They kind of like medium sized. I like clipped them and I dipped them in some boiling water. Some of them came loose, so I had to, y'all hear that car? But I had to tie up the ends. I don't have my mousse. I'm gonna do that later, so I'm probably gonna have a clip with the mousse in it. But for the most part, this is the results. They kind of wasted. This is my first time doing braids, but surprisingly they look cool, you know. They easier than box braids. I tried to do box braids before, regular box braids, and they did not come out right. Well, they didn't look right, so I just like forget it. But I'm probably gonna close out on this. Thank you guys for watching. Again, it's not a tutorial, this is just how I did it. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna do a video about like styling and that kind of thing. Thank you for watching.